I'm Jay Atherton, Fire Marshal for the Village of Palatine. The Palatine Fire Prevention Division consists of a full-time fire marshal, a senior fire inspector analyst, as well as 6 part-time fire inspectors, and a part-time premise information coordinator. All fire inspectors are certified fire inspectors through the Office of the State Fire Marshal. The Village of Palatine has adopted codes which the Fire Prevention Division uses to ensure the safety of the public. These codes include the Palatine Code of Ordinances, NFPA 101, the National Fire Protection Association's Life Safety Code, the International Fire Code, and the International Building Code. Our fire inspectors perform fire and life safety inspections in apartment buildings, retail stores, business offices, industrial and storage buildings, as well as places of assembly, such as restaurants and churches. These inspections are conducted on a regular basis to check for compliance with the codes adopted by the Village of Palatine. The Palatine Fire Prevention Division has transitioned to a risk-based approach to determine the frequency of inspection. This approach involves calculating a risk score for each occupancy based on the fire protection systems present, occupancy type, fire and EMS calls to the occupancy, and past violations, among other variables. This score is then used to determine if inspections are done annually, every other year, or every 3rd year. Schools are inspected annually in conjunction with the Office of the State Fire Marshal and the Regional Office of Education. During these inspections, an inspector walks through the occupancy with a building representative to check for electrical problems, improper storage, heating equipment conditions, accessible egress, exiting, and other hazardous conditions. Our inspectors will also check that emergency lights, exit lights, fire extinguishers, fire alarm systems, sprinkler systems, fire pumps, and kitchen hood and duct suppression systems are being properly inspected, tested, and maintained per the codes adopted to ensure they are in proper working condition. The Palatine Fire Prevention Division also reviews building plans for new construction and remodeling. We will review these plans to verify they comply with applicable codes and standards. We conduct inspections during the construction process to verify the approved plans are being followed. The plan review process includes checking for the proper design and installation of exits, fire rating, fire alarm systems, automatic fire sprinkler systems, and special suppression systems for kitchen hood and ducts and paint spray booths. Once all construction is completed and just before the business is scheduled to open, we will perform one last fire and life safety inspection before a certificate of occupancy can be granted by the building department. We are always ready to meet with or answer any questions the building owner or contractor may have. In addition to our building inspection activities, there are numerous special events in Palatine that require inspections. Our inspectors inspect these events to ensure they are safe for the public. These include our various festivals and craft fairs. We have inspectors specially trained to inspect all carnival rides before our Hometown Fest celebration and each day of the event, as well as the fireworks display. Finally, the Fire Prevention Division will perform inspections of private residents upon request. During these voluntary inspections, an inspector will walk through the residence with the owner and point out possible hazardous conditions. To set up a home fire inspection or for any questions, please call us at 847-359-9029 or stop by our office located in the Village Hall at 200 East Wood Street. Our hours of operation are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can also visit our website at palatine.il.us/fire prevention for answers to your questions.